I start on my channel is what I struggled with all my journey in trading. I'm teaching and I'm showing you what I struggled with. It was so tough for me. Every day of crying, chopping stop loss, and I won't be able to see the reason why I'm hitting stop loss. Now today's topic is finding my way. How I found my way. Well, it's just to show you how you can find your own way in the forex market. I'll use this method. Now, if you can see very well, I hope my voice is loud enough. If you can see very well, I'm not the one that created this draft. I took it from Michael Hudison's page, that's Inner Circle Trader, because he was the one that helped me understand what I should be looking for in the market. Now, this is what you need to know when you're trying to analyze the market, and the time frame as a higher time frame, refining it down to a lower time frame, or if you want to use the scalping method or swing or short-term traders. This is how he explained it in the way I was able to understand it. Now, for professional perspective, frame times on at least 3 time frame. In the video when I watched it, he encouraged we upcoming traders to focus more on 3 time frame. He said we should focus more on 3 time frame. It will help us to build our confidence and the way we analyze the market. Based on the video, if you can check for it, essential trading by Inner Circle, you will see he explained what upcoming traders that are still new need to focus on. Now, the position trades, big brother, let me call the bigger time frame for position traders is the monthly chart. You can see it here, monthly, and you refine it down to the weekly, and our entry is on daily. For the swing trades, the big man, like the big, which I can use the word big time frame. The big time frame you check for swing trading is the day, and we refine it to 4 hours and entry on 1 hour. Some people tell you that they trade the trend of the market. This is what they are waiting for. They mark the swing, and we'll get to that aspect. Then for the day traders, short-term traders, those that use the 4 hours as their big boy, then they use the 1 hour as a refined zone and 15 minutes as entry. And those that want to do day trading, that's day trades and scalpers, they use 1 hour, they use 15 minutes as refining, and they use 5 minutes as entry, or 1 minute as entry. Now, if you want, it depends on you. What do you want to use in your trading? You want to use position trading method, swing trading method, short-term trading method, or one-day trading method. These are the 3 time frames you focus on. The ending part here is your form of entry. It depends on how you want to refine and how you want to enter the market. I want to show you guys a secret. Now, normally when the market is moving like this, the market moves like this: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Am I correct? Yes. Now, there is a break of structure here, which you categorize as our BOS. Our BOS. Okay, where is BOS? Sorry. Now, before market did this thing, right? Before market did this, if you go to the lower time frame, there was what? This was the move here, right? This move here. This is what I'm drawing as straight name. Then it became higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then broke structure, breaker block or fair value gap, and continue this journey. If you can see it here, right? If you can see it here, this whole zone that we marked as a break of structure. Let me bring a clear spot here. This whole zone that we marked as a break of structure, because it would have either mitigated a breaker block or a fair value gap on a 15% momentum on a lower time frame. Let's assume an example. I used 4 hours as my big brother, and this was the swing point that broke structure. This was the swing point that broke structure here, but it will still come back here and mitigate here. This will be a zone that market will still come back in the future and play around in, but it mitigated in a fair value gap or a breaker block, and it continued its movement. That is the one movement that happened here. Let me take it up. Can you see this? That is the whole one movement. This is the whole one movement that happened here. This higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. If you mark it like this, just circle it, this whole place here. Take it and circle it in here. This whole zone here, this whole baby, this whole drama that we see here, this whole thing that we see inside here, I don't know if you can see it very well. This whole thing that you can see inside here played right only inside this zone. So if you can understand how the big boys work, if you are seeing a swing structure like this as the big boys, what I do is I look for the swing points first. I mark the whole swing points in the chart. Then I go to my middle time frame, mark also the swing points. It gives me a direction on what I should be expecting in that market. Like a storytelling. If you understand this whole thing, looking for liquidity will no longer be hard anymore because you now know where the market is doing. You know how many touch. Oh, 1, 2, 3, top 4 touches. Liquidity. Market is going to break this or break down. You wait and stuff like that. So this can help you in your trading. I hope this video is going to make an impact. I hope you can practice this to make your trading more easy for you. And don't forget to subscribe on the subscription button. Tap subscribe. And I hope I'll be able to give you more content and more value that will make an impact in your trading. And cheers. Thank you. Thank you for watching.